Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom on Windows PC, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your Windows PC. In the address bar, type in zoom.us and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the sign up, it's free button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, click this button to create one. For existing users, click on the sign in button instead. After signing in, find the Resources tab on the top menu. Hover over the Resources tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Download Zoom Client. You will be redirected to the download page. Look for the Zoom Client for Meetings section. Click the Download button below this section. Your download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Zoom setup file, which typically ends in .exe. Double-click on the Zoom setup file to begin the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installation. The Zoom installer will launch and begin preparing the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, Zoom should automatically open. If it doesn't, you can find Zoom in your Start menu. Click on the Zoom icon to launch the application. You are now ready to either sign in or join a meeting. Enjoy using Zoom on your Windows PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.